And one of the things is slowing down and really making every note count. I don't care if you're playing quartet, jazz, R&B, hip hop, classical, whatever. Making sure that everything is played with clarity and smoothly.
Okay, I'm gonna stop it right there. Okay, everybody heard that? And the song is actually in the key of D. Okay, in the key of D. All right, and I'm gonna play how I hear it and how most guitar players would approach it. And then I'm going to open it up a little bit and show you different ways to attack that particular song, okay? And I'll go through the chords again.
Statement. And a lot of times what we did at first is we went to, or we did stuff like that. But a lot of times what I'll do is I'll start there and work my way up to the higher register, okay? See that rhythm? Now, hang on one second. What's happening is we're playing a C major triad. Then we're playing a B flat major 7 chord over that. That's actually a B flat major 7 chord, okay? It's when you add that B flat, see that? So you're making on the 10th fret, you are barring from your G string down to your E. See that? And then you putting that B flat on the D string. Okay?
I want right. So that's 1, 5, 6, then the 4. And if I wanted to substitute the 1, see that? So everything is right here. 1, 5, right? The 6, the 4. Instead of playing the 7, I did the little country stuff. Okay. So all of this is to kind of get you guys used to being able to find things without running all over the fretboard. It's good to know where things are on your fretboard, and that's another something we're going to go over today. Is finding your notes on your fretboard. Okay, so because that's so important. Okay.